again, the PP. It comes in, I think this is, sorry, hang on. PS100, not PP, just the PS100. Few adapters, yada yada yada. User manual, but if you're a technician, keep that in the box. There it is. Autel Power Scan Tool PS100. So, would you throw that light back in the bumper without seeing if the bulbs work or not? Because, I mean, that's just janky there. I don't want to replace them. I don't want to mess with taking the bulb out of that one. So, we're just getting ready to set this up. Stay tuned. Now, here we are again at my little service station. So, let's swivel you up here. Obviously, you're going to need a power source. A good sturdy power source. This is always my go-to. 12.4 volts. I think that's usually standard. Look at that. PS100 lights up as soon as you give it power, letting you know what's what. Just going to swivel back here. If you know, you know. If you don't, it's okay. There's I guess a surge protector in there. You're going to go ahead and use the fancy light. Figure out which way is which. Let you know that's the proper way you're hooked up. That light works. Make sure the writing's the same way so I know I'm hooking everything up the same way. Either way, like I said, you still have the audible tone right there. Lights work. The extra few minutes it took me, 5 minutes at max, setting the camera up and running this 2.5 minute video, 3 minute video till we're done. I now ensured that everything works here. All my plugs, or should I say, my tabs are intact. The light will, this one will go in like this, snap into place. I can simply hook it up. Plug's going downward, no water's getting in it, as it sits right in front of the driver's side tire right there. But there we go, no fussing. Throw the lights in, hook it up. If something doesn't work, we know the light works. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Eurotech Matt, 3 Series Garage, out.